we seriously changing a poopy diaper?
Oh, this stinky baby girl. Got stinky butt. Who is this stinky girl? Are you a stinky girl? Ooh, put your hand on my shoulder. Oh, stinky, stinky, stinky. Oh, stinky, 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 stinky. Oh, P.U. Stinky girl. Oh, P.U. had a leak. P.U. stinky girl. I got cool motion. Who got the lights? Oh, so nice. Anyways, so I'm just putting blush on her now.
You act like we can't see.
Just because. So she had a bath yesterday. I don't know if I already said that or not, but she had a bath yesterday. And I gave her some of these. It's called gripe water. Any, like, moms, cause there's a lot of moms that follow me on here, teen moms that follow me on here. Gripe water. It's called gripe. Not
We heard you the first time.
gripe. Gripe water. It's really, really good. If your baby's not pooping, or if your baby's really colicky, I'll get it for you. I'll show you guys here in a minute. But if your baby's like really colicky or like they won't poop, it's a natural laxative. Her age, which she's 2 months old. Almost 3 months. It's normal for babies to go at least up to a week without pooping. But
Okay, you can shut up now.
it is not normal. So we had taken her. She wasn't feeling good at fever, and we had asked them, like, the doctor, like, tell her she has some pooping problems, and they're like, she goes, well, he shows us the same scope for water. He goes, this right here, you can get it, there's water to test it, which he said,
You act like this is a ad.
and just rub it on, like, rub the belly after you give it to him. We got the nighttime one. We didn't know that there was, like, a nighttime and day one. He showed us the original one, but we never, there wasn't any original. We got ours from Dollar General. So, yes, gripe water. Baby is not pooping. We just rub her little belly.
she say shut up?
And mind you, I just gave it to her. And she would go at least 2 to 3 days without pooping. I don't know why she just would. So, backwater. I very much so do recommend that. So I just grabbed it. It's that, and it's good for gas, colicky babies, hiccups. Which now that I'm realizing,
Nobody really cares.
hiccups, and don't know why they'll just come like out of nowhere. And so, don't get them in. That time she does not get hiccups anymore, which is really good because that's when she would usually really get them. And that's really good anymore. So, also, that's it. To draw her some clothes. And we're about to put on her belongings on her because it just came in Wednesday. I'm hoping this out to be a little like chunk. But yet again, she's a little chunk. You see that good? Say hi. But it is all natural. There's like no artificial colors or anything like that. We also use these, we call them gas drops. They're not really drops, it's just something in a syringe. Those are also really good for really gassy babies. I'm telling you, this is Mommy Bliss. Mommy's Bliss. The whiteboard. The brand is Mommy's Bliss. The name is called whiteboard. Oh yeah.
She's saying hi. You guys better say hi back.
Yeah. Do not put medicine in your baby bottle. Let them take it out of the syringe because one, they will take it out of the syringe. If you don't want to deny medicine when you're older, you're trying to give medicine, something like a virus or something, you don't want to deny it. So yes, give it to them through the syringe. It's not very hard. And they make all different sizes of syringe. So it's not very hard. That's good. It works. And yeah. Great water. It's very good. I do recommend that.
This is like the 700th time you said it. You can shut up now.
But, yeah, it's a little bit of our nighttime routine. Saying bye, guys.
You better give her a high five back.